Happy 50th birthday to the most hardworking, funny, and loving father and husband. You've always been our source of strength and laughter. We wish you good health, happiness, and a long life with us. We love you so much.
Time's forever frozen still.
Hello! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Wow! Umabot siya ng 50 years old. Yun lang, pinaabot ka dito ni Lord kasi may mga plano pa siya sa'yo. Kaya, lagi ka magpipray. Matik naman na yan sa'yo. And, matuto ng mag-forgive ang puso sa mga bagay-bagay. Palayain ang sarili sa mga sama ng loob sa mga ibang tao. Dahil baka yun lang ang kailangan mo para mas masaya ka. And wish ko sa'yo na matapos mo na ang iyong project. At eat healthy, magpa-check up na, tama ng kakakook every day, every meal. Para more birthdays pa to come. At magpalakas ka lang kasi para hindi ka mamiss masyado ni mom. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan si mama. Alam mo naman, in love yan sa'yo. Yun, magpalakas ka para sa ating lahat, para tayo ay makapag-travel pa abroad. Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Love you! Happy birthday, Dad! Wish ko sana maraming birthday ka pang i-spend na nabubuhay ka, and huwag ka nang matigas ang ulo mo dahil hindi ka pa bata. Yun lang, love kita palagi kahit ganyan ka, love kita. Bye!
I, Cadet Benji Manlim Vicente, is asking permission to greet sir. Happy birthday, boy. Sana padalan mo ako bukas. Good night.
Hi pa, happy birthday. Thank you Lord na nandito ka pa, nakikita mo pa ito ngayon. Siyempre thank you kasi nakatitundo mo ka everyday kahit umuulan. And wish ko lang sa'yo, mas strong ka lang palagi. Yun lang, bye!
Hi! Happy birthday, Uncle Ivan. Wishing you all the best and good health. Enjoy your special day. Bye!
Ano? Happy birthday, Pa-Vibes. Ingat ka palagi. At sana palagi ka mag-stretching. Alam mo namang nagbibinata ka na. And ingat ka palagi. Ingat kayo dyan ni Mama Bells. And ni Banban. And ni Bunny. Happy birthday, Pa-Vibes. I love you so much. Bye. Go. Happy birthday, Lolo Ivan.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ivan.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misolucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Inigan sa'yo your life and be happy always.